Okay, Mr. Karthik. So today is the practical session. It's a cold test, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
what you did, what you understood, that you have to show me.
Yes, yes,
Yeah,
sir.
tell me. What you did today?
Today, from DC jack is the first connection.
Okay, in any laptop.
Any laptop.
Mhm.
From DC jack positive,
Mhm.
we are finding out the V in section.
Okay.
From positive point to fuse.
Mhm.
Fuse to jumper PJ101.
Okay.
It's mean by V in.
Mhm.
From V in to first MOSFET drain.
Okay. What is the number?
PQ301.
Okay, PQ. Okay.
Yeah. PQ301 to first MOSFET source to PQ302 to source from 302 to drain.
That is actually second MOSFET.
Second MOSFET PQ302 and then the connection is going to PR301
From drain.
From drain. PR301
That is CLR.
CLR.
Okay.
And from PR301 it's going to PJ301. The PJ301 is called as B plus
B
point.
plus. Okay.
From B plus the connection is going to PQ
Now
303.
where you have written?
Here written.
Here. Okay. These are the section it will go. It's a B plus. Okay. Then
From PJ301 to PQ303 is called discharge.
now you are showing B plus where it has gone in the motherboard, right?
Yes.
Okay.
303. From 303 to PJ405. It's going to 5 volt section.
3 section and 5 section.
Five.
Okay.
And PJ401. And then PJ501 RAM high low
RAM.
MOSFET.
Okay, high MOSFETs. There is a jumper. That jumper you are checking.
Yes.
Slowly you can check, no issues. Okay.
And
The
then
input section of high MOSFET, right?
High
RAM
low
section.
MOSFET. And from PJ301 to PJ701 it's optional to the
Okay.
graphic GFX
section,
core
okay.
section. And PJ301 to PJ901 for CPU
Section.
section. From there to capacitor PC34 and PC904.
That's it.
The
B
same-
plus.
Yes.
Okay. Now you completely checked that B plus where it has gone. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now next, what you are taking?
Plus 3
3VL you did, right? Okay.
Yes.
That you are going to show now. That 3VL means 3 volt section. B plus was the input,
Yes.
right? Once B plus comes to that particular circuit, then immediately 3VL will generate, right?
3VL section PJ401 is the input. From
Okay.
there PJ401 is the PWM IC. From there PJ404 is the 3VL
jumper.
Jumper output.
Okay.
From PJ404 to UA audio IC pin number 24.
Okay.
Pin number 24. And PJ404 to
Slowly you can check. No hurry.
Okay, sir. QU35 is an optional.
Okay.
And 3 volt to QU42 is there in resistor.
Okay.
and from 3 volt to this taken as a reference for PJ4.
3VL, okay.
It's going to IC. She's handling too difficult, and PJ404.
Okay. You have turned the motherboard, so it will be difficult. So that's why one reference you are taking from
Yes, sir.
that particular sections, right?
Yes.
Which one you are going to take?
R114.
Okay, okay. That is a reference one. Okay. From there,
R114 is the reference to
IC you are going to check. That is IO.
RE43.
Okay, that is IO side.
Yeah. From RE43 to RA82. RA82 to RA83. RA83.
Okay.
From there, RA83 to this is a reference for RE114 for IO. 112 pin number 112. 100, 105, 110. For 112. And power connector, it will go to power connector.
Power connector.
Yeah, power connector.
It means on and off section you are telling. Okay.
It will go to pin number 1. And
Okay.
it will go to pin number 3 for on and off switch.
On and off section. Okay.
On and off switch. And there to IO it will go.
IO. Okay. Mr. Karthik, from before, coming to this PLC, were you doing any chip level services in anywhere? Chip level services?
No sir, only in card level.
Only card level, only removing the motherboard panels and all. So again fixing that much only you know, right?
Yes.
You have very much interested in chip level service. That's why you joined here and you are learning, right?
Yes, sir.
See, it's a really interesting thing. Really, I'll appreciate you because only within a week, actually this is the 6th day I think so yours. So within a week you learned much, okay, how to identify the section in cold section. So your interest here, it's showing the progress, okay. Keep it up, don't lose your interest. So if you do like this, within 2 weeks you can learn completely.
Okay sir.
So all the best to you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you sir.